Teaching is a noble job, a noble profession, which requires a lot of patience, love, understanding, and a heart full of kindness and compassion. With changing times, the profession of teaching and its challenges has grown. आज का ये वीडियो मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी लगा बनाना इसलिए क्योंकि मैं आप सभी को जो इंटरनली इस चीज़ों में नहीं है या इस प्रोफेशन में नहीं है एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स उससे थोड़ा रूबरू कराना चाहती हूँ। देखिए, कोविड के बाद टीचर्स की लाइफ और टीचिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन कंप्लीटली चेंज हो गया। पहले भी टीचर्स की लाइफ विद चेंजिंग टाइम वाज नॉट वेरी इजी. There are hundred of miscellaneous works that a teacher does, and one little complaint or one little wrong step would spoil her entire career sometimes, and obviously mood of the day. So it is very important to understand that a teacher's life is not that easy, because we are dealing with almost 100 students every day, and there will be a probability, and there is a probability that something might go wrong someday or the other. However, we do take care to be very very careful, have control on our emotions, and give our best to our students. सो बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है किसी भी पेरेंट को ये समझना कि अगर उनके बच्चे के लिए कोई फीडबैक दिया जा रहा है या कोई करेक्टिव मेजर बोला जा रहा है तो वो एक शिकायत नहीं है, बट हाँ एक करेक्टिव स्टेप है और एक तरीके से एक हाथ बढ़ाना है, and making you aware where your child stands, so that we can improve on the child, and that's for the betterment of the child. So मेरी सारे parents primarily and teachers they already are in this profession, so they understand quite well, से यही request है कि as teachers we should be more compassionate, and we should have more patience, because each child is different, and the parents have to have an understanding and should not wait for a parent teacher meeting to connect with the teacher, but they should be in touch with the teacher at regular intervals to know and understand what their child is doing, because not every time a child comes to you and tells you a story is a correct story that is actually happening at ground in the school. So it's better to avoid any miscommunication and be in touch with teachers at regular time for the betterment of your child, because with your help it is only you who can help the teacher do her task in a better way, so that the child comes out of his best version. The child's best version is taken out of him. So I hope you all will understand this and agree with me. In case you have any other thoughts, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.